Yay.
Let's do it, okay?
Alright, so we're gonna need cotton balls,
Yes.
a scissor,
Yes.
some black paper,
Yes.
and wiggly eyes,
And a glue.
and a glue. Good job. Alright, let's get started, okay?
Okay. We're teaching us?
Okay, so first we're gonna take black paper and we're
Yes.
gonna trace our hands on it, okay? So we have to fold this.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna fold it in half.
Half.
Yes. This is for you, okay?
Can you open all that?
It's okay. Alright, let me trace Issa's hand first, okay?
Okay. But he's a baby?
Yes. Alright, Issa. So we're gonna trace your hand. Just a little bit. Okay?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Look, that's in my hand. That's in my new.
Alright.
Look in my hand.
Yeah. Alright.
Look, that's my sneakers.
Okay.
Look,
Let me see. Can I see this?
Okay.
So it opens and we can make this
Because open
as a card and write anything in here. Alright, are you guys ready to make a sheep now? Alright, let's go. Alright, hold this. And we're gonna put blue.
I'm gonna put it.
Okay, this is Issa. Issa, you can do it. Issa, put blue. Hold it.
Mama.
Put blue here, man, okay? Right here.
Okay.
Okay, good job. Go ahead. And Issa, this is for you.
Thank you. Okay, did it.
Good. Keep doing it. Keep on the whole hand. Do it on the whole hand, okay? Good job, Issa. Good job, Issa. Oh, you made a heart. Okay.
It's hard.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make heart. It's purple.
Purple, yes. It's a purple glue stick.
Not purple, yeah.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there.
Alright, show your hands.
Again. Look at my hand. It's the sheeping.
Show yours, Issa.
Okay. That's my hand.
Like this. Good job. Alright, now we're gonna glue sheep head. Okay? And I'll do that for you guys. And we're gonna glue it on the tongue. Okay?
Dad, that's a daddy sheep.
Yeah.
No, can you still stick it?
No, I'll stick it. Issa, please don't do that.
Let me see the baby. See the little can you stick it?
Yeah.
I like this. I wanna do that.
Okay, you can stick yours. Okay?
Okay, so the baby, he didn't know how to stick it. Oh wow.
This is yours. Glue it on the tongue. Okay? The eyes.
I
Yay!
do it. Look at the eye.
So we're gonna put glue on here and just a tiny bit here. And we're gonna stick the eyes.
I can do that.
Okay. You can do yours, okay?
I can do blue.
And I can help Issa.
Okay. He's a
Ta-da! It's a sheep.
No, my turn.
Yeah.
My turn.
Here. Just put a tiny 2 dots of blue.
Then, now I need wiggly eyes. Give me the wiggly eyes. Wiggly eyes. Now look at my wiggly eyes.
show your hand too, okay? And that's Izza's hand. This is sheep. And you can open it and make this as a card for anyone. You can write Eid Mubarak here. And it's a card.
Yes, sir, yes, sir,